Needless to say, it's been quite a day here at the mansion.
This morning, Governor Mike Parson of Missouri announcing he and his wife have tested positive for the coronavirus.
No symptoms of any kind.
The news coming after a stark reality check from the director of the CDC as lawmakers grilled the nation's top health experts on their response to the virus.
A majority of our nation, more than 90% of the population, remains susceptible.
During that hearing, an exchange between Dr. Anthony Fauci and Senator Rand Paul getting heated when the senator questioned why New York City has beaten back the virus.
They are looking at the guidelines that we have put together from the task force of the 4 or 5 things of masks, social distancing, outdoors more than indoors, avoiding crowds, and washing hands.
Or they've developed enough community immunity
Right.
that they're no longer having the pandemic because they have enough immunity in New York City to actually stop.
I challenge that, Senator, because I want, please, sir, I would like to be able to do this because this happens with Senator Rand all the time. You were not listening to what the director of the CDC said, that in New York, it's about 22%. If you believe 22% is herd immunity, I believe you're alone in that.
Fauci last night reacted to that confrontation during an interview with actor Alan Alda.
I have nothing against Senator Paul. I have respect for him. Hopefully, we can reconcile this at some time.
But Senator Paul sticking to his statement.
He wants to say, oh, it's because everybody's washing their hands.
Right.
I don't believe that. I think they were washing their hands in April and we still had all these deaths. So there's something going on, and I can't say with certainty, but over the next couple of months, if there is no significant surge again without a vaccine in New York, it will look like herd immunity.
At the hearing, health experts tried to convince Americans to take a vaccine when one becomes available. But now President Trump is accusing the FDA of playing politics with the vaccine, apparently reacting to reports the FDA will soon release tougher standards for vaccine makers.
That has to be approved by the White House. We may or may not approve it. That sounds like a political move.
It comes as a potential 4th vaccine from Johnson & Johnson heads into the final testing stage. But unlike the others, this vaccine would require only 1 shot. The others being tested would require 2. This morning, the head of the FDA insisting the agency can be trusted.
Our thorough review processes and science will guide our decisions. FDA will not permit any pressure from anyone to change that.
As for the economic toll of this crisis, a new poll found that 40% of American households faced serious economic problems during this pandemic. Kenneth and Deirdre.
All right, Alex, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.